No.
How about thank you?
Thank you.
How about smart? Can you do the sign for cup? Show mommy. Do a cup. Nicely do cup. What else do you do? Can you do computer again? Good job. How about cup? And thank you?
Thank you.
And how about smart? Very good. Alright, can you count in Spanish?
1, 2, 3.
Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, F, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, no, A, B, C, next one, again.
Can you do your numbers? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright. There you go. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Say bye.
Bye.